Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create double lines arrow in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and go to the line section. Now I am select the line arrow option. You can draw the line arrow horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw horizontally. Press and hold the shift on our keyboard to make the line perfect. Select the line shape. Go to the shape format menu. Choose the format shape option and go to the fill and line option. Enable the line section. You can change the color. Now I am select the color red. Increase the white. Now I am want to make the line double. Select the compound type option and choose double. Then close the panel. Now we can see we create double lines arrow easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.